Welcome to the channel. In this case, we are going to show you how to create or how to assign resources of each activity for the project. In this case, I made a simple project construction with basic tasks. The first thing we are going to do is is check that the budget total cost actual total cost is in zero and the original duration of the activity is in zero. For this case, I'm going to do as this way. You can check here that if I filter the current project resources, there are no assigned any resources to the project. So I'm going to add a new resource. You can assign any name that you want. In this case, I'm going to use cost. I'm going to use as a material this resource type, and I'm going to assign as a price per unit with just $1. The other information I really don't care right now. Going to the tab activities again. I'm going to start to adding this resource to each activity. So in activities details, I go into resource, add resource, and I assign it this. You can notice that in the budget units is zero, and the budget units per time is 8 units per day. I'm going to explain how later how to use that. The other way to add resources is adding this layout the resource tab column as I'm showing in the video. You can click in each activities. I'm adding faster than go to the tab resources. So you can notice that is assigned the tab cost in each activity. So if go to one, I select one activity. I put in budget units. 100 units, you can notice that automatically in original durations is assigned 13 days. If I make assign the budget units first, put the budget units 200, they calculate to me the remaining days with the performance that I'm making per day. So uh, 67 days for the activity is too much, so you have to check the original duration depends of the performance that you are assigning to the project. Remember that this is a simple method. I'm going to assign aleatory values of the others activities, and you will notice that in budget total cost we have the budget that we have for that small project. I'm going to change the original durations, and the other thing that you can make is, for example, in computer, uh, uh, you notice that in budget and it's 600, but if you want to make in a real construction relationship, we have to add a resource and the price exactly that we have for this material and the performance that we are going to make today. For example, I'm going to use a resource named concrete. I know that the average of the price of the concrete is $125 per cubic meter, and I'm going to assign it to this activity, to this. So normally in construction, concrete pure, manual concrete pure, you make 8 meter cubics per day. So if I have to make a concrete pure of 6 meter cubics, I will calculate automatically the price that is $125 dollars per meter cubic. The performance is minimum 6 meter cubes per day, so it's just a duration of 1 day. I make calculation of the project. It's finished. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe. Make a comment. Thank you.